Halloween killer is still out there.
Everyone is scared. He's a murderer.
He's a monster.
He's perfect. Hey, boss.
Who are you?
The name's Nimona. Your sidekick has arrived.
I don't need a sidekick.
Every villain needs a sidekick.
I'm not a villain! The real villain is still out there, and I do need help.
And then, who do you want to kill first?
What?
Look, I can help you, but promise me you won't freak out.
Why would I trust you?
Promise!
I promise!
Even when you see the horn?
Horn!
Promise!
I promise, I will not freak! Oh.
This is the part where you run.
They call me Hell. They call me Stacy.
You're a shapeshifter.
They call me Hell.
Monster
They
attack.
call me Jane.
Monster attack.
That's not my name.
You did that on purpose.
You catch on quick, boss.
That's not my name.
Something, something, something. We win.
I'm Mr. Cat. If they call me the Paw.
Anyone can find them. It's me.
They call me Hell. They call me Stacy.
Ambrosius really thinks I'm a murderer.
That's not my name.
You got betrayed by someone you trusted. Because once everyone sees you as a villain,
That's not my name.
that's what you are.
Do you think he saw us?
Yes.
Why are you running around with a monster?
Don't call her that!
The world kicks you around sometimes. But together, we can kick it back.
Mona! Smart, kind, and sophisticated!
That guy just beat his armor! He beat his armor! Oh, I like where this is going.
Let's break stuff.
Promise I'm your official sidekick forever and ever. No take-backsies.
Can you just be you?
I don't follow.
None of this makes sense.
Look, boss, it's simple. If you like something, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Who has 4 thumbs and is really great at liking stuff?